Good afternoon and welcome along to the channel, and I apologise, it's been some time since I posted a video on YouTube, but I think you'll like this one. It's midway through May, and on the 3rd of this month, 2026, we went down to Glasgow, and while we were there we took a trip to Loch Lomond, and I visited a paddle steamer that I'm old enough to remember actually going on Loch Lomond on a trip on that steamer, Maid of the Loch. It's now being refurbished and it's up on the slipway, and I took the opportunity to take the drone around it, and just mostly for my own sake to get up to date with what's happening with it. So I think you'll like it, and please let me know in the description what you think, if there's anything more you'd like me to do, and more importantly for me is, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe, and then you'll get notifications of any more videos that I put up. So thanks for watching. Thank you.
There's a soft light at the side of the hill. There's a new sound, so quiet and still. There's a new sense coming, it's coming to you. There's a magic in all the things that you do. So come and take me away. Come and take me away. Now, baby, come and take me away. Come and take me away. There's a picture of the places I've been, in the shadows, all the things that I've seen. We're slowly dancing, it's dancing to you. Now, baby, we're getting high from mother's supply. a brand new kind of notion. Oh, just wait.